These Stickman animation videos are going insanely viral right now, getting millions of views across social media. This Stickman animation channel has a video that crossed 200 million views, and this channel is also seeing massive success. And in this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process they use to create these viral hits. Step 1. Generate ideas and script. First, head over to ChatGPT to generate Stickman animation ideas. Paste your master prompt, and it will instantly give you 20 viral topic ideas. Simply choose a topic number, and it will generate a complete 60-second voiceover script, image prompts for each scene, and animation prompts. This gives you everything you need to create your video. Step 2. Create Stickman AI Images. Now open HitPaw Edimakor and start a new project. If you don't have it yet, download it from the link in the description. Go to AI Images on the left panel. In the reference image, upload your Stickman character. You can use any of the 3 Stickman styles provided in the description. Now, select an AI model like Seedream 5.0 or Nano Banana 2 and paste the first image prompt from ChatGPT. Adjust your settings and click Generate. Within seconds, your first scene will be ready. Repeat this process to generate all scenes. Step 3. Animate the images. Now it's time to bring your images to life. Right-click your first image, then click Image to Video. Choose a video model like Kling 3.0 or Vidu Q3 Pro. Then, paste the corresponding animation prompt from ChatGPT. Set duration, resolution, size, and click Generate. Repeat this for every scene to create smooth animations. Step 4. Generate AI Voiceover. Go to the audio section and click Text-to-Speech. Here, paste your script from ChatGPT and choose your preferred AI voice. Language, accent, gender, etc. You can even clone your own voice. Click Generate, and your professional voiceover will be ready in seconds. Step 5. Final edit and export. Now bring everything together. Drag all clips onto the timeline and sync them with your voiceover. Add transitions, music, and once everything looks perfect, export your video in 4K resolution.
What if one small habit could completely change your life? Most people look for big changes, but ignore the small ones. The truth is, success comes from doing one simple thing every single day. That habit is improving just 1% daily.
And there you have it, your very own Stickman animation video ready to go viral. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and check the description for all the resources I used. Thanks for watching.